Panda versus Demi. This is Animal Idol. And now the winner from last week's episode with an amazing 132 comments, Truffles! Nom 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 nom. And now for this week's contestants. Our first contestant up is Panda, submitted by Cody. A bunny named Panda? My mind has been blown. Our second contestant up is Demi, submitted by James. Boy, he loves that brush. Who should be this week's Animal Idol? Comment below for your vote to count. Check us out next week for the